Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by staying safe and getting the load stick ready. Put on gloves and boots, then quickly inspect the stick for cracks, loose grips, or bent sections. This prevents failure under load. Once done, place the vehicle or platform on level ground and chock the wheels so nothing shifts. Next, identify the cargo center of gravity and choose the stick length that gives you proper reach and leverage. This first action sets up everything that follows. You now move into careful placement and balance. Slide the load stick beneath the cargo at its center. For anything over 25 kg or awkwardly shaped, have a partner assist so you control both ends. Make steady, short pushes rather than long jerks, and keep the stick at about a 20 to 30 degree angle from horizontal to maintain leverage and control. Also make sure to use blocking or a dolly to steady lateral movement. Doing these things keeps the load predictable and reduces strain. You finish by securing the cargo properly and removing the stick safely. Once the load sits where you want it, apply straps rated for the weight and tension them in a crisscross pattern so items can't shift. This prevents sliding in transit. After blocking, slowly withdraw the stick while a partner holds the load, then gently test for movement before you drive away. If the stick slips at any time, stop, re-chock the wheels, add anti-slip tape to contact points, and reposition the stick before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.